Hi guys, welcome back. So today we're going to be installing WebMin 1.9 on Ubuntu 18 servers. So let's just jump into that and switch over to the web view. Link will be in the description. But to get the WebMin, we just go over here to the download section, and then we look for the deb package. This one right here. Just copy the link because we'll need that. And we will switch over to the CLI. I'm just SSH'd into one of the servers we installed previously. So what we first need to do is we need to go web get, then we paste our URL to the deb file and give that a second to download. Okay, now it's all downloaded. We need to go sudo apt update, if I can type, because we need to install some dependencies. Now I'm just going to copy and paste my list of dependencies I need to install, but the command will be in the description. So give me a second to get that. This is what we got to install. It's in order to run WebMin, so I'm just going to enter and hit yes, and we'll give this a minute to install. Should only take a minute or so. Okay, now we got that. ls, you see we got the WebMin file right here in our current directory. So what we need to do is sudo dpkg and then we type in our WebMin file, we enter, and it'll start unpacking it and installing. WebMin's a good tool for like an easy web interface that you can configure some stuff like the NFS file share, network attached file share, and random different settings. You can modify like your vhost and download files. It's a really nice tool, and it's free to use. Okay, now that we have WebMin installed, we can go over to the web browser. But in order to access WebMin, we need to type in HTTPS, and we need to put port 10,000, I believe. Now we'll get an error saying that the connection is not private. That's because the certificate is not, it's invalid. But it ain't going to harm your computer, so we just go to advanced here and we hit proceed anyways. And give it a minute to load in. Now you just log in with your username and password. Let's give it a second to log in. Now you see you can do like update your server and all kinds of stuff. Show your CPU, your RAM usage, your disk usage, and all that good stuff. So we can just perform an update. If you want, you can shut down, backup files, and then you got your database, which I actually don't remember what the password was to that, but you got to log in into the database, and you can kind of use it like a PHP myadmin. Configure SSH server. Here's a really nice useful one, is the file manager. I really like that. You can enable a bandwidth monitor on the ports. So let's just set up now. Update stats. You just do that and report back how much bandwidth you're using and stuff like that. So if you like this video, please don't forget to hit the like button. You know what to do with that. And don't forget to subscribe. If I switch you over here, look at this. We are up 148%. And our views is up by 153%. So far, this knife sharpening video has been doing pretty good. So, see you guys later. Please don't forget to subscribe. We've only gained 11 subscribers in the last 28 days. We're getting there slowly. Bye.